CES EduPack is a unique resource for teaching materials and process-related courses. In a previous video tutorial, we looked at how to plot bubble charts and bar charts, as well as how to copy those into other programs. In this video tutorial, we will look at how you can customize and make the most out of your created charts. You can modify the properties displayed on your charts using the Properties button here. By clicking on the X or the Y-axis tab here, you can change which property is displayed or change the title on the axis. For example, here I am going to change the Y-axis title to Stiffness. I can also choose whether I want logarithmic or linear axes and change the scale if I want to. To label the materials on a graph, click and drag on a bubble. Here we have zinc alloys. This is concrete. CFRP is here, and this is a rigid polymer foam. You can easily go and view the materials record by double-clicking on the bubble or the label. You can come back to the chart by navigating between the tabs here. If we want to label or highlight a specific material, we just need to go to the results list on the left panel, right-click on the name, and click Label. We can also right-click on a material's label to rename it. Here, I will enter ABS, the abbreviation for this material. If you want to remove labels, click and drag a box to enclose them all, and press Delete. If you wish to add text or a title to your graph, click here on the text icon. Then click on the graph to create a text box and enter the text. I will type a title, Graph 1. Click away from the label once you're done, and place the label. If you want to edit or delete the text, right-click on the label. You can also change the appearance of the charts by going to the Options menu from Tools, here. If you are presenting your graph to others, in a report or PowerPoint presentation, for example, it can help to make the axes labels nice and clear. You can see that I have made the axes font very big. You can also format the labels in this tab here. Finally, let's look at the graph toolbar along the top here. We've already seen the Properties button here and the button here that allows you to add text to the graph. This button allows you to zoom by clicking or create a zoom box by clicking and dragging. And this button allows you to go back to the normal size. You can use the icon here to add family envelopes around the sets of materials. Just in the same way as we did with materials, we can label these envelopes by clicking and dragging. This button allows you to add guidelines, and the rest of the toolbar allows you to decide which materials to show on your charts. In the following video tutorials, you can learn how to use the limit and tree stages available in CES EduPack.